What have you been rolling in? Look at your hair. It's filthy. Hey, hey, come back here. Hey. What's that, girls? Is that kale? You better come out here and get some too. Come on. Come on, honey. Come on. Where's the red? Where'd the red? You're not supposed to step on it. Where'd the red go? Come on. Where'd she go, girls? Where'd she go? It's okay. I'm not bothering you. It's okay. Get that kale. Get it. Go get it. Well, I know you're on camera. Come on. Come on, Red. Get down here. Is that good? Is that good, girls? Should I try it too?